In this video, we want to learn how to insert and format a slide number in PowerPoint. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight to the point. So to insert a slide number in PowerPoint, it is very easy. So normally when you open a new blank slide, you have something that looks like this. So I'm sure once you open PowerPoint, your PowerPoint is going to look something like this. So for you to insert a slide number, all you have to do is come to the Insert tab over here, and then under the text category or the text section over here, you come to Header and Footer. Header and Footer, this is where you find your slide number. So you click on that, and so you have this pop-up coming here. So what we want over here is slide number. Okay, so we select that. Okay, so once we select that, we just go to apply to all, right? Apply to all. So once we click that, we can see that we have our slide number displayed at the bottom over here. So if I come to still under Insert tab, I insert a new slide, maybe a new blank slide, you see that that slide number is coming here as 2. Okay, so the more slide you insert, the more you see the numbers. But the problem here is that it looks very small and it looks gray, almost invisible for you to see. Okay, so how do we then format this slide number? So to format the slide number, we go to the View tab, and then under the View tab, we come to the Slide Master. Okay, we come to the Slide Master option. So let's wait for that to load. So once we are under the Slide Master option, we can see that over here you can see this. We have the date, which we did not click. We have the footer option, which we did not click. The only thing we inserted was the page number, and this box over here represents the page number option, right? So any formatting I do to this box over here will affect the entire slide. So here I've selected it, so I can go to Home tab now. Let's say I want to change the font, so I change the font to, let's say, something that I like. Let me just go to let me just select something. Okay, so maybe Optos Narrow. So maybe I want to make it bold. I want to increase the size to maybe 20, and I want to change the color to, let's say, blue. Okay, so this is what I've done to it. Okay, so now it is blue. So now let's come back to the Slide Master tab. Okay, and then we close Master View. Okay, we select this, close Master View. So once I do that, I can see that my slide is now coming, and then the slide number is very big over here. Now if you look at the first slide, you realize that nothing has been done to that. Okay, the formatting has not been applied. This is because this is a title slide and this slide is just a blank slide. So the formatting we did was on the blank slide and not the title slide. So to change that of the title slide is still the same process. You come to View, you go to Slide Master. This time around, because the title slide was selected before I came to the View tab and Slide Master, the title slide, okay, as you can see over here, is selected. Okay, so I do the same thing to this. I select it, I come to Home. Okay, or if you like, you can just go to your blank slide where you did the first formatting, select that, then you select the Format Painter tool. Okay, and then you go up to your Slide Master. Okay, you come here and then you use the Format Painter to apply the same formatting, so which is Optos Narrow as the font family. Our font size is 20. We made it bold, and then we are giving it the font color of blue. Okay, so let's see. So we close our Slide Master View, and then we see that the first slide also, the number is big, and then the second slide as well. So any other slide I insert from here, so long as it's either a title slide or a blank slide, I'm going to see that the formatting is applied to them as well. So you can see this one, even though it's a title slide, the formatting has been applied. But if I insert any other, let's say title and content, the slide number will come, but the formatting will not be applied to it. Are you okay? So we don't want that. So just the title slide and then a blank slide is good for you. So you can just play with that. And this is how we insert page number, and then this is how we also format them in PowerPoint. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.